Today I'm going to show you how to create a rank function in Microsoft Excel, as well as how to create a footer. So the first thing that we want to do today is to create a rank function to rank the salaries of the employees. So in row F, we'll start off by clicking equals and then rank R-A-N-K and an open parentheses. The first thing that you're going to need for the rank function is the number. So in our instance, the number is D4 for this first salary right here. So we put in D4. Next, we need the reference. This is all of these numbers, all of these salaries. This is the reference from D, $D, $4 until $D, $53. The reason for the dollar signs in the reference and not in the number is because in the number we want it to change for each input or output, and with the reference we want this to stay the same throughout the entire thing. We don't want it to move down for every output that we get. For the order, as you see here, the options are put in 0 for a descending order and 1 for an ascending order. So what that means is 1 would be the lowest salary. If I put in 1, it will be the lowest salary to the highest, and if I put in 0, it will be the highest salary to the lowest. So what I want to do for this function is put in 0 to figure out who makes the most amount of money, and that person will have the number 1 salary rank, and the lowest salary rank will be that employee who makes the lowest amount of money. So we close the parentheses, and then to get it to fill out the entire column, we drag this down until the end, and there you get your rank. Now, in order to create a footer in Excel on a Mac, we need to go to Page Layout and then click on Page Setup. Here, you'll see Header Footer. So you click Header Footer, and you can do a custom footer. So on the left section, you can put whatever. I'll say Stewart for my last name. In the center section, you can put the date. And on the right section, you can put the time.